Is your Roborock S5 losing its grip, literally? Or perhaps it's leaving behind more dust than it picks up? This isn't just about poor traction. Those wheel rubbers degrade over time, especially with daily use on various floor types. When the tires are worn, your robot struggles to navigate, clean effectively, and even reach its charging dock. And that mysterious drop in suction? Often it's a blocked or faulty filter silently suffocating your robot's cleaning power. These issues combined mean reduced cleaning efficiency, uneven coverage, and increased strain on internal components, potentially leading to bigger, more expensive problems down the line. But here's the good news. At Robocare, we see this all the time, and we know exactly how to fix it. Our team isn't just familiar with the Roborock S5. We're specialists. With years of hands-on experience and a deep understanding of its inner workings, our certified technicians are adept at diagnosing and resolving issues specific to this model. We don't just guess. We use precise diagnostic methods to confirm that it is indeed those tired wheel rubbers causing the trouble, and that filter isn't pulling its weight. We meticulously open up your Roborock S5, carefully removing the old, degraded wheel tires and replacing them with genuine component for optimal grip and performance. And for that compromised filter, we swap it out for a fresh, efficient replacement, restoring your vacuum's suction power. It's a comprehensive approach to ensure your Roborock S5 doesn't just work, it excels. But enough talk, let's show you the result. Just look at the difference. New wheel rubbers mean perfect traction, flawless navigation, and no more frustrating slips. And with a fresh filter, this Roborock S5 is back to powerful, efficient cleaning. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience. I can't tell you how happy I am with Robocare. Their expertise with these machines, their easy courier service, and their commitment to quality repairs are just outstanding. If your Roborock S5 has worn out wheel rubbers or a faulty filter or any other problem, seriously, don't hesitate. Contact Robocare. They are truly the experts, and I highly recommend them. Ready to get your Roborock S5 or any robot vacuum performing like new again? Contact Robocare today.